Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check if someone is online or offline on WhatsApp. Nowadays it's really difficult to know whether someone is online or offline because of WhatsApp's privacy settings. Let me explain. If you tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy, and finally Last Seen and Online, you'll see an option to set your visibility to Nobody, or Same as Last Seen. When this is enabled, no one can see if you're online or offline. So, if someone has activated this setting, it becomes quite challenging to determine their status. One simple way to check is by clicking on the person's chat. At the top, you may see their last seen time. For example, if it says 3:34 a.m. and now it's 3:35 a.m., it likely means they were recently online and might still be online. However, if their settings are restricted, this method might not work consistently. Another way is to send the person a message. For instance, if you send hi or any other text, pay attention to the check marks. A single check mark means the message was sent, but the person is offline. Double check marks mean the message has been delivered, indicating the person is online. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.